Okay, so all the intelligences that exist from the dimension 13, 14, and 15 exist within the realms of infinity, which is the mother central universe, in the 5 harmonic frequency. Now, all the other dimensional frequencies are actually simulations as we go lower into the 12th dimension, 11, 10, and all the way down to the 1 dimension. So all the different dimensions below the 13th dimensional level of reality are considered simulations. And what do I mean by that? The simulations are that's where everything has an alpha and omega. It's part of a time-space experimentation in order for the base reality, or for the existence that occupies dimensions 13, 14, and 15 to further expand from that experience. So those are the 12 dimensional levels of reality, also known as the time matrix. The reason it's called the time matrix is because that is the finite point of reality. That is not infinity. It is the realms in which experiments are being conducted by the intelligences of the 13, 14, and 15 dimensional level of reality, which is the multiverse. Those are the different realms that they use in forms of a simulation in order to gather more data and more experience. And this has a lot to do with the laws of entropy, which is gathering more information so that the universe could further expand into the outer levels of the infinite void, one outer space level at a time. And what do I mean by that? Okay, let me explain. So as far as we understand the multiverse, everything from the super universes all the way to the planetary systems exists within the first concentric circle of the first outer space level, from the center being the mother eternal realms expanding out. Okay, so we are only existing within the first outer space level. As I speak, dimensions 14, 15, and 16, 16, 17, and 18 are also being further developed as we begin to organize into the second outer space level. But first, we have to complete the periphery of the first outer space level, and this is where the Earth comes in as the planet that was chosen to complete this cosmic, experiment. So beyond the 5th harmonic universe, we have the 12th dimensional time matrix, as explained. Now, within that 12th dimensional time matrix is also divided into 4 harmonic fields, or 4 harmonic frequencies. So dimensions 12, 11, and 10 occupy the 4th harmonic universe, okay? Dimensions 8, 9, and 10 occupy the 3rd harmonic universe. And then dimensions 4, 5, and 6 occupy the 2nd harmonic universe. And then finally, there's dimensions 1, 2, and 3 that occupy the 1st harmonic universes. So from a horizontal perspective, those are the 5 harmonic universe in which the omniverse is structured in. All right, going back to the omniverse, the structural aspect, or the structural spheres of the omniverse.